So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your virtual card design on the KOHO Financial application. So if you're not really liking how your card looks and you just want to change how it looks, I'll show you how to do that. So once the app is opened up, go to the bottom left, press on home. Press on home. Make sure that the spend tab is pressed here. So if it says credit, for example, just go ahead and press on spend. So go ahead and press on spend and then press on your virtual card here at the top. So once you're here, if you want to go to the bottom, scroll down a little bit to where it says change card design, press on that. Then you can go ahead and browse a bunch of different cards here. So there's the Northern Pride design, which is this one right here. There's the Baseball's Back design if you're more of a sporty person. There's the Creative Original. You can see all the designs here. There's the True Indigo. So if we were to go ahead and press see all designs right here, you can see a bunch of different options in regards to this. And there's also even more options down low if you want to manage your cards. You can sort of pick this way. So you can choose whatever one you're looking for. So if I wanted to press this baseball one, I will press switch to this card. And then I will press on done. And then if I were to go back here, as you can tell, my card looks just like this. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to change your virtual card design on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.